Hello, this is Brian, and this is David from 360 Immersive. Join us here when you want to learn a little bit more about the newest and greatest coming out in VR and AR training technology. One of the apprehensions that people might have about integrating VR and AR training into their programs is the cost. What is this going to cost me, and what is my ROI going to be on making this investment? So can you talk to us a little bit about what that looks like?
Absolutely. Bree, I'm going to make it simple for you. It's free. Yep. To try it doesn't cost you a dime. As long as you have a reasonably current cell phone or smartphone, and you can go to the App Store or Google Play, you can download it. There's free modules that you can try that are both computer-based. Most of them are wrapped around safety-related issues. Or there's also some video modules that you can try, because there's always two types of VR safety training. But it's free. Now, of course, you can engage further modules if you choose to, if you find that there's some value. But if you think about the ability to take a simple device that's in your pocket and to try it, so that's the cost of getting into it. But let's talk about the cost of not engaging the technology, of not trying to increase engagement in your classroom, of not trying to increase retention rates. That's a cost also, and I think that's equally as important as talking about the cost of a new training tool. Because if you think about it, last year, the United States in workplace safety spent $70 billion
Wow.
on safety training. And yet in many industries, injuries and fatality rates are still going up. And why is that? Why are we not reducing fatalities, reducing injuries? And the reason is, to a certain extent, is because we're not engaging our learners. We're attempting to pass that knowledge down about how to keep them safe, but it's not sticking. And the reason that we believe is the fact that you need something to engage them differently than 4 hours at PowerPoint and what do we call that?
Death by PowerPoint.
Yes, death by PowerPoint. And the ability to put somebody in a simulation so that they actually feel like they're right in the middle of it is not only an outstanding tool because you can save lives, but you're engaging the younger generation, which we know we all have to. I learn differently than somebody that's 20 years old.
Absolutely, and we're now at a time where we have 5 generations or more in a workplace at a time, so that's an incredibly powerful tool.
So if you're looking for something that could enhance your traditional training and potentially save lives, potentially reduce injuries, all you have to do is go on the App Store or Google Play and try it.
And what is the app called again?
It's VR Safety Training.
Thank you. David, thank you so much for educating us a little bit about what the cost and the costs are related to engaging with VR and AR technology or not engaging with AR and VR technology when you're looking at your training. If you have comments, make sure to drop them in the section below and follow us and subscribe. Thank you.